say, but you don't even know I'm alive. Oh, no. Baby, to you, all I am is the invisible man. Yeah. Oh, you don't see me, baby. You probably spend hours on the phone talking about nothing at all. Talking about nothing at all. It doesn't matter what the conversation, just as long as he calls. Oh, still a love so real and so sincere when you wipe away each other's tears. Your face lights up whenever he appears. I wish you looked at me that way. Beautiful eyes looking deep into mine, telling me more than any words could say. But you don't even know, you don't know that I'm alive. Baby, to you, all I am is the invisible man. You don't see me, baby.